At the heart of every Ferrero Rocher lies a whole hazelnut. These nuts are carefully selected for quality, size, and flavor. They are roasted to perfection, bringing out their rich aroma and crunch. The next step is creating the delicate wafer shell. Ultra-thin wafers are baked and shaped into tiny spheres, forming the crisp, light structure that holds the hazelnut inside. Each wafer is filled with a smooth hazelnut cream. This creamy layer surrounds the roasted nut, balancing crunch with softness. The hazelnut and filling are sealed inside the wafer sphere, locking in flavor and texture. Now comes the indulgent part. The wafer balls are enrobed in smooth milk chocolate, coating them evenly in a glossy layer. Before the chocolate sets, chopped hazelnuts are sprinkled generously, giving Ferrero Rocher its signature crunch. After cooling, the chocolates are wrapped in their iconic golden foil. Each one is gently placed into a paper cup, symbolizing luxury and care. The result? A delicate masterpiece made of wafer, chocolate, cream, and hazelnut, wrapped in gold. Ferrero Rocher is not just a chocolate, it's an experience of elegance, crafted with precision and passion. So the next time you enjoy a Ferrero Rocher, remember the journey it takes, from hazelnut harvest to golden wrapper. Behind every bite is a world of craftsmanship, machines, and tradition.